How to contact seller on the Amazon application in 2022. So let's start. In this video I will show you how to do it step by step. To begin, open the Amazon app and search product you would like to buy. I need new case for my phone, so this is product I would like to buy, and I have some questions about it. So we need to find seller. Next, scroll down, and here, as you can see, there's a sold by, and this is seller. Click on it, and next click ask question. Click an item for sale and select your item. And now you got here some questions. You can ask about product details, return policy, delivery, warranty, pricing. And if you click other, you can ask your own question. So here you can type your own question. And that's it. This is how can you contact the seller in the Amazon application in 2022. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support me, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you one click later. Goodbye.